Abandoned mines frequently fill with water. Before an abandoned mine can be reopened, the water must be pumped out. The size of the pump required depends on the depth of the mine. If pumping out a mine that is d feet deep requires a pump that pumps at a minimum of d squared over 25 plus 4d divided or minus 250. So this is the rate at which this pump can extract water, gallons per minute, has to be equal to something related to the depth, which we drew over here in blue, d squared over 25 plus 4d minus 250. And that's gallons per minute. Pumping out a mine that is 150 feet deep, so now we know D is equal to 150 feet, would require a pump that pumps how many gallons per minute? All right, so we're trying to figure out this gallons per minute number, and we know what D is, so now it's just a matter of plugging into the equation we have. So in this case, gallons per minute will be equal to, and I'll just write that as G over M is equal to, now we know what D is, so 150 squared divided by that 25 plus 4 times, again we have D here, so we'll sub in times 150 because we know the depth D, minus 250, and this is how many gallons per minute we're going to need. So we could solve this by hand, but we don't need to. Let's go ahead and pull out a calculator to solve it. All right, so I'm just going to get out my calculator here, and so I have 150 squared divided by 25 equals plus 4 times 150 minus 250. And the answer is 1250. 1250 is the correct answer. D, if you happen to miss this because you did your calculations wrong when plugging into your calculator, it's a good sign that you're going to need to double check calculations like this that can get kind of complicated.